Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'll be making a quick plantain porridge and I'll be using this local chicken as the protein. So the first step is to season the chicken with some onions, some red habanero pepper, some seasoning cubes, paprika, grinded chili and salt to taste, and then pour in some water and cook for about 5 minutes. Next, I'll peel my plantain. I'll be using just one plantain for this video because I'm just making food for one meal, so I don't want to have leftovers. So I'll go ahead and slice the plantain into desired sizes. I'm back to the cooking pot after 5 minutes. I would add the sliced plantains. The water is too small now, so I'll go in with more water, like enough to cook the plantains, and then cover the pot for another 2 minutes. Now I'll go in with the crayfish and some diced red bell pepper and cover the pot for another minute. After that, I'll go in with the shredded parsley leaves and mix together. I don't want my porridge to have a lot of water, so I'll just add a little more water, but you could also add much more water at this stage if you prefer your porridge to be watery. And then I'm going to cook for another minute, and just like that, my plantain porridge is ready to serve. I mean, you could tell that I made this within 10 minutes. This was a very quick recipe. And thanks a lot for watching my video again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And thank you so much guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys.